Let's make a yin yang cookie. Grab your scribe or an edible pen, either one works fine here, and you're just gonna do this kind of like one wave line. You want it to be fairly symmetrical because we're doing the yin yang cookie, and that has an equal part black as it does white on this cookie. The plus side of using a scribe or a pen instead of just deciding you can pipe it perfectly is you can go over it a few times like I am here, because I thought this would be easier to do, and then I realized, hey, I don't have that much spatial awareness. What I'm doing here with the scribe is after I have scraped onto my cookie, I am brushing off the excess crumbs. Otherwise, they are going to pop up in your icing. And if you want to be a nitpicking person like I can be when cookie decorating, it will bug you. So just be careful to brush it off. After you do the wave, you're going to add 2 circles, one on each side of the wave. I am doing a terrible job of describing that, so hopefully visually you can see what that was. Then you're going to grab your white royal icing and you're going to outline 1/2 of this design, and you're going to do the curve down the middle, and then you're going to do the circle that's within that side. Words are escaping me. I apologize. But then you're also going to do the inside of the circle on the other side. And that's because, particularly for a cookie like this, there's going to be white directly against black. We're going to try and create some barriers so we don't get color bleed, and we have some very good defined lines here. So we're just going to outline every single section. After the white, you can see I'm coming in with the black and I'm doing the exact same thing. Now, my lines don't have to be perfect. You can see it went awry at the end there. So I'm gonna come back and just fix that ending of the line. I'm trying to abut the white line really, really nicely down the middle. And then I'm going to outline the white circle that I did on the black side. And then I'm going to do a black circle on the inside of the white circle on the other side. Not confusing at all. So again, hopefully visually this makes sense to you because I can't explain it very well. We're going to come back now that everything has been outlined. Now we can fill in. We're going to come back with our white, and I'm going to start by just going right along that center edge, and you're just going to fill in both sides of this. Obviously, we're still on the white side, and different from a lot of the other cookies I decorate, especially for putting a flat base on, and we've just outlined the outside, and I usually decorate from the center out. Now I'm decorating from the outside in. A little bit of that is because I know that the outside line has dried a little bit more, and I just want to decorate the cookie that way this time. There's a lot of things that you'll see cookiers do for social that they're not doing at home, and a lot of that being decorating cookies a certain way because it's more visually appealing. That is just a lot of it. And I also feel like I just fully need to apologize. I have been putting off recording this because I've been sick for like a week and a half, and I finally just buckled down and said, no, I need to record this. So my brain's not functioning fully just because I want to get this done. Anywho, we filled in the white side, and then I immediately came in and added the black circle in the middle. Just pressure piped that. I wasn't trying to go from the outside in, the inside out, just added a lot of pressure from the piping bag, from my hand, and added the icing into that small circle because it's relatively small. And then on the other side, I grabbed my black royal icing and I'm just filling in all of that area. I am gonna come in with my scribe on this side. I didn't need to do that on the white side. Everything leveled out really nicely. I didn't have to worry about it. The black, my royal icing is just like a smidge thicker, so it's not settling as nicely. So I'm going to use my scribe to settle it, and this is the pressure piping. I just stayed right in the middle, and I piped as much icing as I felt necessary to make a lovely yin yang. Check out all 5 cookies from the 90s Doodles collection and give them a try. If you do, please tag me literally anywhere online or email me.